First, when we click on the extension, it will redirect it to its WhatsApp web page. If the WhatsApp web page is not opened, then it will automatically open the WhatsApp web. If it is opened, then it will switch the tab and open the WhatsApp web. So if we open the extension, this is how the UI looks. There are four tabs such as Message, CSV Upload, Schedule, and Privacy. Let's first go through the message. It consists of phone number, message, and attached file option. You can give numbers anything like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you want to give more numbers, then you just have to separate it with a comma like this. And then you can simply enter your message, and also you can attach file such as photos, videos, txt file, document type file, anything else. And just by clicking on this send now button, it will send the messages to these numbers. Let's come to the CSV upload. If you have a bunch of numbers in an Excel file, you can simply upload this using this upload CSV button and enter the messages you want to send. And also you have also this option to attach file, and by clicking in this send to all button, it will automatically send all the messages to the numbers uploaded in the CSV file. Now let's go through the schedule. This is how the UX of schedule looks. It consists of phone numbers, messages, schedule time and date. And it also has the option to attach file. You have to select the date and time according to you and enter the number, many numbers separated by comma, and messages you want to send. And by clicking on the schedule message button, it will schedule a message. It will send the message on the according to the time you have entered. Now let's go through the privacy button. It consists of blur profile picture, blur contact names and information, blur message content. All this will be effective if you apply the privacy setting button. If you can see, my message content and contact numbers and information all are blurred due to this effect. So this is how WhatsApp Broadcaster Pro works, and this way it makes WhatsApp marketing scalable without increasing your manpower, and use it smartly to grow your business.